Understanding the phrase, solemn tune, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of English idioms and expressions. Our focus will be on the phrase, solemn tune. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it effectively in conversations and writing. Let's get started. The phrase, solemn tune, is quite picturesque. Solemn refers to something that is serious, grave, or not cheerful. In the context of music, a tune is a melody or a song. So, a solemn tune would literally mean a song that is serious and perhaps a bit melancholic. But in English, this phrase can be used metaphorically to describe situations, moods, or even discussions that are serious and somber. Subsection 2.1. Literary and conversational contexts. In literature, solemn tune is often used to set a mood. For example, an author might describe a scene as having a solemn tune to convey a sense of seriousness or sadness. In everyday conversations, you might hear someone say, "The meeting had a solemn tune," indicating that the discussion was serious and perhaps a bit gloomy. Subsection 2.2. Differences from similar phrases. It's important to distinguish solemn tune from similar phrases like melancholic melody or sad song. While all these phrases suggest seriousness or sadness, a solemn tune often carries a weightier connotation, implying not just sadness, but a deep, thoughtful seriousness. 1. The funeral was marked by a solemn tune, reflecting the gravity of our loss. 2. As the news of the crisis broke, a solemn tune seemed to hang in the air. 3. During the ceremony, the orchestra played a solemn tune that moved everyone. And that's a wrap on solemn tune. Now you know what it means, how to use it, and the context in which it's appropriate. I hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the beauty of the English language.